guys, let's on our charcoal as usual and make lunch. Thank you everyone for stopping by. Please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, comment, and also share. I'm a new YouTuber based in Plateau State, Jos. So please do well to support me by subscribing, by commenting, by liking, and also by sharing my videos. We love you. So I'm on my charcoal. Getting ready to cook. It's almost warm, and I have not made lunch for them already. And my children will soon come back from school. So let's do it sharp sharp. Let's do it sharp sharp. So finally our fire has catch. Now I need to add cool water for washing my fish and my meat. Yeah, I normally use hot water to wash them. So cool water for washing fish and meat, and I'll allow it to boil. So this is my meat. I'll be washing my meat. So this is hot water. Adding hot water on it. So I use hot water to wash it. So another hot water to raise it. Put it in the pot. So here is my fish. I add hot water to wash it. So we'll be adding our fish. Here is our fish. It's boiling. So let's add our fish. Jesus. Add it too.
Where is Gabby?
It's on top of the flour. Salt. It's okay. It's okay. Don't play with that one. So we cover it. Allow it to cook. We have added everything. Then the next thing we allow it to boil. Then after that we'll start putting the rest. So we are making egusi soup. You know all this village vibe egusi soup. That is what we are making. It's not that thick egusi soup. That light egusi soup. The egusi is going to be light in the soup. So it's what I'm making. Stay tuned to the video. Please, if you are coming across my video, please do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to comment. I am a new YouTuber based in Plateau State, Jos. Yeah. So keep supporting me, please, guys. I really appreciate for my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Please keep supporting, keep sharing, keep commenting. We love you. So guys, let's check. So I'll be putting my oil. Just added my oil. Cover it. So add our melon. As you see, right? Is this one for cleaning the kitchen? Isn't that one for cleaning the kitchen? Cover. Inside. So guys, let's check out. See if it's ready. I think it's ready. So putting my bitter leaf. Nenda ngena sapwe kwa which. Jupiter. Really? Don't do that now. Start. So guys, we are doing our solid. This one is good. It's lemon. These cubes. Give me here, bro. Many. So let's share the food. Eat it. Would you? Don't do that. I think it's a little bit watery from the fish. The fish.
Your head. I don't do this again. Which one was she?
So guys, it's time to eat. We are done cooking. Come and join me. It's yummy. I'm chef now. I can cook for Africa.